Hello, Joe fans. I hope you all are doing well. Well, this time I'm back with one more G.I. Joe to review, and his name is Night Viper. Well, he's a Cobra night fighter. As the name says, that Night Vipers are always in training and never see daylight. Okay, so the first comic book appearance of this particular figure was in issue number 94 in year 1989. Well, first cartoon appearance was in 1989 as well as the animated series. It was a 5-part mini series. Well, Night Viper comes with very simple accessories. Let's talk about his primary weapon first. Yes. So Night Viper comes with this gun. Well, the information says it is having this night scope on it with holes, couple of holes. Here you can see this. That is because they fit to the peg on the side of the leg, just like this. Here you go. Okay, but I don't know that what that strap is doing and why it is there on that particular figure, but it is what it is. Another accessory is that this Night Viper comes with this scope and visor. Well, it's actually a two-piece item. You can separate his scope here. He's having this handle. Well, this particular Fun School version is having different color, and US variant has a different color for these things. It actually goes like this on this particular peg. Well, unfortunately though, for my figure, you can see that on his either side that both pegs are broken, so I cannot put it on his mask, but this is how he is supposed to look when he puts his visor on. Well, also Night Viper comes with his backpack, as you can see here. US variant I believe had a this backpack black in color, and Fun School version is having this dark orange. Well, it seems to be some kind of antenna, and this has to be a knife handle sticking out from his backpack. Very nicely detailed. So let's talk about figure. This particular Night Viper has standard G.I. Joe articulation. His elbow bends because of his ball joint. He can rotate his head. Standard O-ring here. He can make his leg that much high, and his knee bend full 90-degree like this, both knees. So pretty standard G.I. Joe articulation, nothing special about it or different about it, pardon me. This is how he looks from his back. Well, appearance wise, he's wearing his full mask. Only we can see his eyes here, but that too are closed with his visor on. On his chest we can clearly see Cobra the Enemy logo symbol. Here we can see a shoulder strap going across from his right shoulder and here is his knife. On belt he is having a golden buckle with little pockets in black, and both legs are having some sort of device or something here, and this peg is for gun as we have seen it before. And in front of his left leg, on this shin area particular, you can see his knife which is molded. Well, particularly about this GI Joe, that you have to be very careful with his pegs, like the one on the head and on his right thigh. It's made up of very cheap plastic, so that it tends to break very easily, and once they are broken it is impossible to repair or attach them, so you have to take care of it. Well, collectors pay outrageous amount for buying this multiple figures of Night Viper in order to build an army of Cobra. So that's all I have to share with you about Night Viper. Please hit like button and hit subscribe button in order to support my channel. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's Cobra. Yo Joe guys, signing off. Stay tuned.